A very happy day to my dear students. I hope you all are fit, fine, and healthy. I, Angel Singh, welcome you all to the online English classes. Today, we are going to start a very simple yet important topic, that is poster making. And this is the format of the poster that you have to make. The first thing is topical lines. Topical lines means the heading. It should be very catchy, it should be short, and it should include all the things that you have to add in the poster. Then visual input. Visual input means you can put any images or colors which are related to your poster and suits them best. Third one is your verbal input. Verbal input means whatever you are writing, whatever you, if you are protesting for something, then the words should be chosen wisely. If you're promoting something, again the words chosen should be related to the topic. So verbal input is important. And the last one is issued by, whether it is the organization or the government that is to be mentioned. Let's discuss some posters I have here, like for books. So books, our best friends. Books, what do they do? Inform, instruct, delight, enrich. Read best, speak best, think best. This is an example of your verbal input. Then for your visual input, they have made a book here. So this is an example of your visual input. Similarly, make read a regular habit. They have put it into a hexagon. All right, this is again an example of your visual input. Take a book a day, don't delay. Another example of your verbal input. Read it, reading makes a ready man. Again, they have used different fonts. If you focus on the poster minutely, we can see there are different fonts used by the poster maker, whoever has made this. And it is very attractive. It includes everything related to the books and the promotion. We can understand by looking at the poster that they are promoting that we should read books, and our school library has plenty of books. Let's have a look in another example, which is telling us to ban the polythene bags. Say no to poly bags. Again, a visual input where the poly bag is made and they have put a cross there. Polythene bags and be eco friendly. Use jute bags and paper bags. Discourage plastic containers. Save your environment future. See, the fourth one, the last important, is issued by Secretary, Environment Club Jaipur. This is important. Okay, if it is mentioned in the question that on behalf of this organization or on behalf of the government of India, so you will write issued by government of India, issued by your organization name, whichever is mentioned in the question. If nothing is mentioned, then like save water, ban polythene bags, etc., these are all the example of they are issued by the government of India. Okay, so you can have a look at the posters, you can make them colorful. They are very important topic, not only for class 6th but up till your 12th standard. Very easy yet very uh, important. Okay, you have to choose the words wisely. So I hope children you have understood, and thank you for watching. God bless you all.